future is here with a tech tip on Accel's state-of-the-art fuel injection system for Harleys.
It's taken 90 years to shape the legacy of America's only motorcycle. Harley-Davidson's classic V-twin design has made it an American icon. Even today, Harley preserves that nostalgia in models like this Softail with its 1940-era Springer front fork. And while retro styling may be the factory's priority today, it's the aftermarket that often pioneers high-tech performance parts. Case in point, Accel's new computerized Thunder Twin fuel injection system. Enthusiasm in the press for injection that obsoletes the problematic carburetor is now a reality. Injection leaves the age-old carb behind with smoother drivability while cruising, yet gobs of torque for hammer-dropping hole shots. But can the average rider bolt on a fuel injection system? You decide. With a list price of about $1,300, the Thunder Twin kit contains everything needed to make the conversion. A 45 PSI fuel pump, pump cover, high-flow petcock and fuel filter, a twin injector manifold, air cleaner and air filter, and a computer control box, wiring harness, idle air motor, and ignition rotor. Accel recommends a low-restriction exhaust and a crane fireball cam. And best of all, the whole job can be installed with common hand tools. Out on the street, it produces a seamless power band without flat spots. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Back to that installation. With the cam in and the pipes on, we remove the fuel tanks, air cleaner, carburetor, and manifold. The stock ignition rotor on the right was replaced with the kit's specially indexed rotor. Then we bolted on the engine control unit, or ECU. This computer controls fuel and ignition curves by reading all system sensors up to 125 times per second. Next, the big 45mm manifold with twin injectors, steel fuel rails, fuel pressure regulator, and throttle position sensor goes on in place of the carburetor. The main harness connects the ECU to each injector with clearly marked terminals, and all points on the harness feature waterproof connectors. After mounting the fuel pump bracket to the frame, the pump is installed in its cover and bolted on. The high-flow petcock is threaded into the tank and high-pressure fuel lines are plumbed. After installing the tanks and seat, the radius backing plate, filter element, and filter cover are mounted. Total project time, just under 8 hours. The result? A dramatically more powerful, more drivable, and more responsive motorcycle. The days of tuning and tweaking are over. Thunder Twin adjusts automatically for altitude, temperature, load, and octane conditions. But we thought a second opinion was in order. We shared the bike with an expert, Harley dealer Bubba Boswell.
Pretty neat.
It's got good power everywhere, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Did you bring it up pretty high?
Yeah, it runs great. I like it.
With every car on the market today fuel injected, it's just a matter of time before Harley offers injection as original equipment. But until they do, if you want more thunder for your V-twin, you might want to check out Thunder Twin.